Kajabi or SamCart? In this video, I'm going to look at the pros and cons of Kajabi and SamCart and try and boil down which is best for your online business. It's going to be very individual to you and where you are on your online journey. But if you stay all the way to the end of this comparison video, you'll have that information required that you can make an informed decision which one is right for you, Kajabi or SamCart. So full disclosure, I am a Kajabi user. I've been using Kajabi for the last 5 years and there is a reason for that. I will get into that, but I also have used SamCart before. And at one stage I used both. So I used SamCart and Kajabi. And I'm going to be telling you why I just use Kajabi to run my online business today. But I'm going to show you exactly what SamCart do and it may be the right choice for you. So first off, I'm going to dive straight on into my desktop and then have a look at these two different platforms. So firstly then SamCart, if you go to samcart.com or just Google SamCart, you can have a look at their homepage. And why SamCart? It's really important to understand where this platform came from. Now this was originally a checkout or a bolt-on checkout software company. So for example, the reason why I used it is I had Kajabi, or I actually had a WordPress site that you could actually then bolt on SamCart to it if you were wanting to sell anything online, even physical products, digital products, any coaching or services. So SamCart has recently moved from just being a checkout platform to actually having, as you can see here, courses, any sort of communities, consultants. So they've gone from just the checkout platform to actually increasing courses and communities, so you can actually sell more with this. So have a look down and credit where credit's due. SamCart have been great with the actual checkout functionality, with upsells, cross-sells, what payment processes they use, and the functionality of their cart, being SamCart, has been second to none. So if it is something that you want to use just as a checkout function with some landing pages or communities or courses behind it, then SamCart might be right for you. Whereas Kajabi, it's really important to understand that Kajabi has come from a courseware background. So it started just building courses, then it actually went on to building landing pages, building a checkout function, albeit there was some limitations. When you're trying to be the all-in-one platform, you're not going to be the best at everything. So that's why some people use SamCart and bolted it on to Kajabi. But let's have a look at the pricing. So SamCart now, it has gone up a bit because there's more and more to it. So we're just going to look at a monthly, and the launch plan starts at $59, then $119 for Grow, and then Scale is $299. But just make sure you understand exactly what you get with this platform. It might not be everything that you need, and I can pretty much guarantee that you might need a plugin or two, some bolt-ons to this platform if you are looking to run your entire online business through this platform. When we have a look at Kajabi, Kajabi is a little bit higher in price. Let's start with the monthly, $149, $199, and $399. Again, with Kajabi, you've got pretty much everything. This is what they pride themselves on: courses, coaching, podcast, membership, communities, payments. That is the one that obviously will challenge SamCart. And actually, depending on when you're watching this video, Kajabi Payments is actually coming out. So it's increasing the functionality of its payment processes. You can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay. But have a look at that when you're watching this video, contacts analysis, and then you're growing your websites, your pages, emails, funnels. Kajabi's email is really, really good. It's actually empowering you to do proper email marketing, whereas you might have to send out some more emails with SamCart if you're going on the SamCart plan, or you might have to bolt on some other email service provider. But again, make sure you understand what is involved with all the different pricing plans with Kajabi. I think you get a lot more with Kajabi, but if you go for SamCart, you're probably going to have some bolt-ons. A really good thing about both of these platforms is they have a 0% transaction fee, which is great in my book. That's what I would be looking for if I was looking to scale. And as all of my comparison videos, I always like to go over to Trustpilot to have a look at some independent reviews. Now, SamCart on initial inspection, it's only got 28 reviews here. So You could probably say that's not enough reviews to actually gain some really good reliability there. But out of those 28 reviews, it is a little bit of a red flag for me. It's just 2 stars. So there's a lot of 1-star reviews on there in comparison with the others. So have a read through these, but yeah, take it with a pinch of salt because there's only 28 reviews on here. Whereas Kajabi has 1,741 reviews and it's at 4.6 and it's an excellent rating. So have again, read through of some of these independent reviews. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just jump over on into my Kajabi account and just show you some of the functionalities with the offers and the checkouts that Kajabi has actually come a long way and is still improving the checkout function. So I'm just going to dive straight on in. So here, I've just gone to new offer. So I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to go, I'm going to create a new offer and I'm going to call it VIP coaching. And then I'm just going to select one of my products, private coaching, and then continue. So I'm just creating an offer, and offers work with the products. They're working separately, so you can allow a bundle of products to have different offers. I'm going to make this a one-time paid offer. I'm going to put this at $500. There's a little function here, let customers pay what they want. This is a new feature that the Kajabi have rolled out. You can actually enable that, and it might be that you might get more than actually what you're asking for, or even less, but more often than not, people will want to pay you what they value or what they think you are worth. Payment type, I've linked everything up to Stripe, but like I say, Kajabi Payments is coming through, so you can very soon add Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay, and all the good stuff. So if I hit save and finish, this is pretty much what the offer looks like. So you can actually link up more products to this offer. You can begin access at a specific time or date, or restrict access if this was a course program. Send post-purchase, where do you actually send them to? You can actually go to third-party emails or product library. You can send them a default email or custom email. And again, Kajabi handles all the emails for you, so you don't have to have another third-party email. And then you can add automations on here. So you can add when the offer is purchased, then grant them an offer, add them into an email sequence, add a tag, send an email, add a coupon. There's all sorts you can do here. I would, at very minimum, I would add a thumbnail in here just so it shows on checkout. Pricing, you can edit all of these under the tabs, so you can have an internal title for yourself. And again, that's just the one-time payment that I've just set up. Upsells, now this is great. This is what SamCart was priding itself on. It would have multiple upsells and multiple downsells. This is just if somebody purchases your offer that goes to the next page, it might offer them something again. Or if they don't pay for your offer, or they don't accept it, it could go for a downsell. So now Kajabi have actually done a lot of work here. You can have multiple upsells and multiple downsells, which is a great vantage point. And then settings, send them to a third-party email provider, get notifications for your team, send cart abandonment emails. This is a great one. I always use cart abandonment emails. If someone's gone onto your offer page and then either navigated away, I would always send them like a 1 hour later, hey, you were just checking out this offer, here it is again if you wanted to buy. And then affiliate commissions, if you did have that enabled, you could then share your offer through your audience. But I'm just going to go to edit checkout, and these are some of the functionalities you can do. So this is actually what it's going to look like. So I would probably do a little bit more work with this checkout. It's quite basic at the moment, but I would either put my branding in the banner and then put some more sort of benefit led bullet points here. So this is what we're going to get first, second, and third. And then you can customize the checkout. But again, there's some more things here. You can add in design. You can add in some more page content here. This is how you edit that. You can add in some more form fields if you wanted to collect name, address, and phone number on this field, or if you wanted to do it on the next page. And then additional settings, if you wanted to add in any footers in there, or if you wanted to sort of change the layout about in mobile. And then this is where you add an order bump. So if you had another offer, say on this checkout, tick this box if you want a downloadable, or if you want an extra video or something like that, that's a little bit of an upsell, but it's called an order bump. So you can do all those on this page. And that's pretty much how it will look. And this is how Kajabi have been evolving their checkout, and it's more stuff coming out soon. But Personally, for me, I don't see the value, or I don't see the need to have both these days. I don't need the SamCart logged in and bolted onto my Kajabi, so I have just gone all in on Kajabi. So there you go, a quick overview of Kajabi versus SamCart and the functionalities of each. Each platform is evolving, so depending on when you're watching this video, check those out because they could have evolved again and it could be slightly different comparisons, but also have a look at Trustpilot reviews. You might have some more on SamCart, but hopefully that's provided value and you see the functionality of what I would say the all-in-one platform is the way to go, which is Kajabi would win hands down for me. And I am a Kajabi partner, so I can actually get you an extended 30-day free trial with Kajabi. If you wanted to check it out, take it for a spin and have a look under the bonnet and just see if it's right for you. You get a full 30 days. That's double the 14 days that's available to the public. And yes, if you use my link, you get this 30 days extended free trial. It is an affiliate link. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel if you end up becoming a paying member of Kajabi month on month. That would be at no extra cost to you. But as a thank you from me, if you do sign up to Kajabi with my link, I'm going to grant you a course straight off the bat. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. I've put this course together. I've designed it intentionally so you can actually understand how to unbox Kajabi and what to do first, second, third, and fourth to actually set up your Kajabi account in the right way to scale. And like I say, the Kajabi account is everything you need. And if you do continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi, then I'm going to grant you a second course, which is called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. And all this is you go into that course and you can download themes and templates from my sales page themes, the ones that I use for this business, and then just upload them into your Kajabi account. And you can use it as a good starter for 10 to build out your sales pages and your landing pages as another thank you from me. So that link once more, head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi to get access to your free 30-day trial. And I look forward to seeing you on another comparison video again in the future real soon.